Hi folks, so welcome back to my channel. So let's see today what is components in React.js. Okay, so in React.js we have two types of component. So one is functional component and another one is class component. So in this video I'm going to cover only the functional component. Okay, now let's see how to create a functional component. Before that I'm going to create a new folder under the src, and the folder name is component, and I'm going to create a new file called test.js. So now let's do the functional component coding. So before that we need to import the default file. Okay, we need to import the React, and now let's go and create a functional component. So the syntax for functional component is like a function syntax. So if you are familiar with the technologies, coding technologies, you know how to create a function, and it is a Pascal case sensitive. Okay, so the first letter should be in caps. Okay, so make ensure that the function name of the first letter is in capital. Okay, and then the function should have a return, and the return should be a HTML tag. Okay, and we need to export the function. Okay, I'm going to save the save. So this is the way to create a functional component. Okay, so I have added a new file, and so this is the syntax for creating a functional component, and I'm going to print in the p tag, welcome to my channel. I have saved it, and now let's see how to call this in the app.js. Okay, so now I'm going to comment the old codes at the first level. So you need to import the test.js what we have created newly. Okay, import any name from, you need to specify the path. My folder is the component test. Okay, now I have imported my new file which I was added. Now let's see how to call the functional component. It is a simple way like how you are calling the HTML tag. Okay, this is that's all. So at the first step you need to create a new file, and you need to add the functional components. Okay, and after that you need to import the file in the page where you want, where you require the component. Okay, so in my case, so I want to import the component in the app.js. So I have imported the app.js in this file, and I have access. So you can use the self-closing tag also. Okay, so now let's see the output. See, I can able to print welcome to my channel. Okay, so it is printing from the test function this component. Okay, now I'm going to add another p tag. Okay, let's say save. See, I can able to see the changes. Okay, so this is called as functional component in React.js, and the function should return only a single div. Okay, so you cannot able to have another div here, and then we cannot able to return. When I save the function, and in the output window you can see the error. You can see failed to compile. So a return function can have only one outer tag, and you can able to have nested tag inside the one outer tag. So there should be only one parent div. Okay, and to ensure that you have the function name as the first letter as in the capital sense, capital. For example, I'm going to change this to the small t, okay, and then saving the same. See, I cannot be able to compile the source, okay. It should be in the capital T. Now see, I can able to see the output, and if you like to add this in div, you can do. I just copy the thing and I have been pasted, and I'm going to use this in the after the div. See, so this is called as functional component, okay. So in this way we can able to use the functional component, okay. Thanks for watching my videos, friends. Bye.